Ay, ay, ay. Oh no, what's the matter? I've got guests coming for dinner and everyone's got their own diet.
Really? Tell me about it.
Some eat everything, some are pescatarian, some are vegetarian, some are gluten-free, and some are vegan.
All right, I got you covered. I do this all the time.
Please the vegans too?
Yeah, so what you want to do is a make your own bar.
What does that mean?
Well, for instance, you could do a make your own black bean tortilla bar.
That sounds good.
It is. So you put out all of the components for the tortilla and people can pick and choose what they want to add to their tortilla. So they have agency to grab what they like and leave off what they don't like.
So what do you put on the bar?
Start off with the tortillas. You might have a wheat tortilla and a corn tortilla for the gluten-free people. Spicy black beans, some cabbage slaw, some guacamole, salsa. You might have a variety of different salsas, diced onion, roasted corn, red pepper, perhaps some plant-based cheeses, and then a drizzle of lime crema to go on top of the tortilla. At the end, you might have some chopped cilantro for people to sprinkle on top.
Ugh, I hate cilantro.
Right, of course, there's going to be some cilantro haters perhaps in the groups. Again, it's about agency. People can pick and choose what they want to add to their tortilla.
Love it. Do you have a recipe?
Yes, you can find this recipe on my website, Beantown Kitchen. It's called black bean tortillas with cabbage slaw and lime crema.
Oh, fantastic. I'm going to go check it out.